My name is Marilyn. I'm gonna do my level 1 routine. Now what?
Step kick.
Cartwheel.
Finish.
Finish.
Lay down.
Lay down.
Candlestick. Bridge up. Squeeze those knees together. Lay down. Roll over. Push up. Jump stand. Hands on hips. Leg swing. Leg swing. Hands on hips. Step, coupe, pop. Step, coupe. Tuck jump. Ice cream scoop. Good job.